what is question number 3? I hear you all ask. I'm getting loads of bots signing up to my newsletter. How can I stop this, please? Thank you in advance. Okay. There's not a huge amount you can do. You've got to expect some spam and some sign-ups that you're not requiring that you don't want. And that's quite normal. So what happens is the more you market something, the more you get it. We see this a lot in the world of marketing websites where you suddenly start getting noticed and you start getting phone calls and emails from people going, oh, I can get you on the first page of Google, blah, 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 all of that. You're going to get it. It's a fact of life. The one thing that we can do that can negate this a little bit is on our pages. So let's go to here. So let's say, for instance, you've got a marketing funnel, and that's how you're setting up your newsletter. So they're coming in on here. We set up our funnel steps, blah, blah, blah. They're coming into wherever we want. This is our opt-in page. We can edit our opt-in page. And one of the things that we can do is we can just double check when it loads. There we go. In the drop down here, we'll just make sure that we go to page settings and that we have reCAPTCHA on and that it's visible. Okay, so that will help just making sure that where we can, we're not getting as much spam as we probably think that we're going to get. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Let's just get rid of that. There we go. So just saving that. So you'll see here, I'm not a robot. They've got to tick that. That's the reCAPTCHA before they can get in. So that does help. It doesn't stop everything, but it definitely helps. So really quick and easy one, just to make sure that on these pages where you've got these forms, especially for free things, you have reCAPTCHA turned on, and that will hopefully stop quite a bit of the spam coming through. But we have to accept the fact that ultimately when we're out there marketing our business and our stuff, we're going to get some of it. I don't see it as a negative, because you know what will happen is you'll end up over time sending emails, they'll bounce, they'll not be opened. We can then clean our list and get rid of some of the people that are in there. So it's not the end of the world. It's just something to keep an eye on. But turn reCAPTCHA on, and hopefully that will help with the problem.